Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to transform your PNG file to a PDF version. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a photo.png. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now focus on the screenshot that we have on the desktop, which was taken in the form of a PNG. So let's click on the photo itself and we can go all the way to File, Export as PDF. Change the name to screenshot.pdf and save to the desktop. Processing, and there we go. We can also quick preview. We can now right click and use quick actions to create a PDF. We can also change the name, screenshot2.pdf. So that's how you transform the PNG to PDF using 2 ways. One using preview, the other using quick actions. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.